guys, this is now the situation of our house. Everything is now clean, but somehow we still have many things to clean outside. So is my room. I managed to save my workstation. My chair is totally damaged, as you can see, and I don't have, some clothes are wet. So these are the device I already cleaned and waiting it to be dry, so hope it can function. So our floating rep are now standing, and let's see if it has any. So it's totally gone. Okay, outside my mom and dad are cleaning. And I found the scanner. Hope this will function, or I'm not sure if this will still work. I don't know. Outside, still full of mud. Here's my brother cleaning outside.
Mga to naman ni da,
Na nag-video ako. So it's somehow passable compare. This is the debris being washed out during the typhoon. And guys,
Hello, sorry King.
you can see it's still dangerous to go outside because it's very wet and the road is slippery.
Nalibong ko kaulit at English.
So we need to be careful when driving motorcycle. I almost fell many times in here while buying something. Right now our only concern here is water and also some cash so we can buy some medicine for our kids. We already have rashes on their skin because of no electricity and the dust when it's very hot. So right now we're heading into my in-laws house, and as you can see we're almost near, and they experience some major damage as well. Oops. Okay, pause lagi. Yeah. So right now we are in my in-laws house.
Oh, diha, kamugan.
We also have affected with the Typhoon Tino.